Big bad wolf, wolf, go away, says the woodcutter. Thank you, Mr. Woodcutter. But where's my grandma? says Little Red Riding Hood. Let's look in the house, says the woodcutter. Little Red Riding Hood and the woodcutter go into the house. I'm in the wardrobe. Open the door, says Grandma. Little Red Riding Hood and the woodcutter open wardrobe door. Grandma comes out. Now let's have the bread and jam, says Grandma. Little Red Riding Hood, Grandma, and the woodcutter all sit down. Love bread and jam, says Little Red Riding Hood.
Little Red Riding Hood is at home with her mom. They're in the kitchen. Yum, yum. What's love bread, says Little Red Riding Hood. I want to take some bread to Grandma. Good idea. It's not bread, says Mom. Oh, and take some yam to Grandma too, says Mom. It's in the cupboard. Here's the basket for the bread and the yam, said Little Red Riding Hood.
Thank you, Mia. Continue.
The sun is in the sky. There are birds in the trees. There are rabbits in the grass. There are a lot of flowers. Little Red Riding Hood stops. She wants to look at the butterfly. She wants to pick some flowers too. She wants to take some flowers to her grandma.
Ivo, continue.
Never mind. Oh, a wolf behind the apple tree, says Little Red Riding Hood. Help, help, it's Oak, little girl. It's Oak. Okay, says the wolf. And a good wolf. Who are you? Who are you? I'm Little Red Riding Hood, says Little Red Riding Hood. Who are you? I'm Mr. Wolf, says the wolf. What's in the basket? Bread and jam. Bread and jam for my grandma, says Little Red Riding Hood. Where's your grandma's house? Says the wolf. It's over there, says Little Red Riding Hood.
Thank you.
He knocks on the door of Grandma's house. Grandma is in bed. Who is it? says Grandma. It's me, Grandma. Little Red Riding Hood, says the wolf. Please open the door. Little Red Riding Hood, says Grandma. No, it is you. It is Little Red Riding Hood. Yes, Grandma, it is me. It's me. Little Red Riding Hood, says the wolf. Please open the door.
Soy Ranchi, a little bit.
Oh no, it isn't Little Red Riding Hood, said Grandma. It's the big bad wolf. Grandma jumps out of bed. She runs to the wardrobe. She hides in the wardrobe.
Continue.
The wolf opens the door and goes into Grandma's house. Grandma isn't in her bed. Little Red Riding Hood knocks on the door of Grandma's house. Hello, Grandma. It's me, Little Red Riding Hood. Please open the door, says Little Red Riding Hood. I got some flour for you, and I got some bread and some jam in my basket for you. Please open the door. Oh, Little Red Riding Hood. I'm
I'm in bed. Please open the door and come in, says the wolf.
Okay, Cornelia Lucy.
Little Red Riding Hood opens the door and goes into Grandma's house. The wolf is in Grandma's bed. Hello, Grandma. Hello, Grandma. Is it you? What big eyes you've got, says Little Red Riding Hood. Yes, dear. All the better to see you with, says the wolf. Grandma, what big ears you've got, says Little Red Riding Hood. Yes, dear. All the better to hear you with, says the wolf. Grandma, what a big mouth you've got, says Little Red Riding Hood. Yes, dear. All the better to eat you with, says the wolf.
One, thank you.
My grandma, where's my grandma? Says Little Red Riding Hood. The big bad wolf is in my grandma's bed. Help, help. Little Red Riding Hood runs to the door. The wolf runs after Little Red Riding Hood.
Continue.
Little Red Riding Hood runs into the garden. She sees a woodcutter. Help, Mr. Woodcutter. Please help me. Grandma isn't in the house. The big bad wolf is in Grandma's house, says Little Red Riding Hood. The woodcutter sees the wolf.
Thank you.
Go.
One.